Hello YouTubers, this is Michael Steinmetz here. Today we're going to do the unboxing of Doctor Who, The Ambassadors of Death. This is a package came back. It looks like a box on Amazon. It says Prime. So cool. Alright, let's start it up. Here we have I got this before. Alright, there's air packaging and the first DVD. Here we have was Doctor Who, The Ambassadors of Death. Look at these astronauts. There's the third Doctor, John Pertwee, looking spooked. Wow, he looks spooked as he was. So cool. There's that BBC logo. And there it is again. It's John Pertwee, Doctor Who, The Ambassadors of Death, 2-disc. Look on the back. Story number 53. It says, something has gone seriously wrong with Mars Probe 7, with no contact from the astronauts since the rocket started to return journey from Mars, and space control is now extremely worried about the fate of a crew. The rescue mission recovers something, but whatever it is, certainly isn't human. To find out what is happening to the astronauts, the Doctor must head into space without the TARDIS. This is very, very bad. It says the audio commentary with the actor Carolyn John plays Liz Shaw. There she is, Liz Shaw. And Nicholas Courtney, the Brigadier. Peter whatever it was. This is very bad. Alright. Well, this is Mars Probe 7 making the Ambassadors of Death with Michael Ferguson, Terrence Dix, and Derek Ware, Roy Skerleman, and assistant floor manager Margaret Hell. Oh, sorry about my language. Sorry about that. In tomorrow's time, the third Doctor. Trailers, photo gallery, and some PDF materials. Radio Times listings. It says, starring John Pertwee and Carolyn John. Written by David Whittaker, Malcolm Hulk, and Trevor Ray. Directed by Michael Ferguson. Originally transmitted in March 21st to May 2nd, 1970. This is so cool. This is my favorite date since my birthday. This is May 2nd. I was born in 1994. And let's open up and see what's inside. recycled material, and the DVD. Here we have was Doctor Who, The Ambassadors of Death, Disc 1, approximately 107 minutes, and Disc 2, 44 minutes of extras. Well, might as well watch this one as soon as is possible. This is Michael Steinmates, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.